Maglalaro ko tayo ng Schoolboy Runaway. Ayan.
Let's go!
Ayan. Ay, nag-ads! So, ayan guys. So,
I can't do what I don't like. I want to live freely.
yeah, alam ko na yan.
Wow! There they go again!
I'm coming.
Ayan.
Ooh, a terrible shift. Just terrible.
Guys, pabalik na siya. Bagal naman maglakad. Wait lang ha. Na pala.
Come on!
I'm coming.
Siya guys, naglalakad siya.
Oh! How could you miss that?
Billy!
Going around.
Oh guys, nakalimutan ko yung sarili.
Aha!
Heidi!
Where are you going again? Wait!
Knock, knock, knock. Who's there in the cabinet?
Alright.
Come here!
Take the broom in your teeth and off you go. I don't want to see a single snowflake left.
Nahulagod tayo guys. Buset. Ang ginagawa na. Mati na ano yung aso. Ayos na lang ako. What? Ano yung kadiri? Ayan.
Come on! Get it together! Time is ticking!
Kaya isang sungit naman nito. Infinite talaga to. Hindi ko alam guys kung nadadagdagan ba. Oh!
You'll be sweeping sidewalks your whole life.
Ayan. Okay. So, speed up ko na daw. Ayan guys. Okay guys, natapos na po. Wait lang.
Wait a minute.
Ayan guys, oh. Basagod siya. Hindi! Ayan.
Go check if he has studied. Aladdin or not. Well, care to tell me why is your door open?
Ooh, a terrible shift.
Pretending to do your homework.
Yeah! Ano ba yan?
Come on, get to it and make sure the floor shines.
Di ba sinara ko yun, guys? Paano ano?
Come on, come on.
It's me there anyway.
Good job. Go to your room. I'll come check on you later.
Ads ng ads, guys, pero wala namang ano. Ayan.
Someone's about to get in trouble.
Where are you going again?
Nowhere.
Ayan siya, guys.
The doorbell is mocking me.
Gagawin ko lang yung ginawa ni Sola Hey. Ang ganda kasi ng ano. Wait. Lang nga, guys, mag-headset lang.
And there is another miss.
Speed up ko lang po, guys. Ayan na, guys, naka-headset na po ako. Okay, guys, so ang ginagawa ng ni nanay doon. Taso namin, oh. Wait. Then love you like I love you. Wait. Then I love you like I love you. Tapos na kaya siya, guys.
Mga scientist, mayroong mahalagang natuklasan sa isang ancient tablet ng Babylon. Natuklasan ng mga scientist ang pinakamatandang mapa di umano sa mundo na nakaukit sa isang tabletang buwan na tinatayang 3,000 taong gulang na. At natuklasan nila na naglalaman ito ng posibleng lokasyon ng
Gigil na yung nanay
mga
natin.
scientist.
guys. Guys, may tanong ako, bakit pala yung doorbell nasa loob ng bahay namin? Bumalik guys. Speed up ko na lang guys. So, dito na nga po pala nagtatapos ang ating video. So, maghintay na lang po kayo sa part 2. Sa part 2, tatry ko po kung makukuha ko po yung fun. Yung act 2. So, yun lang po guys. So, i-edit ko na po to. So, bye-bye. Huwag nyo din pong kakalimutan na mag-like and subscribe and share this video. So, yun lang po. Maraming salamat po sa panonood and goodbye.